If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Call of Duty, follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. This guide will walk you through some common fixes. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings. Start by reducing the resolution, texture quality, and effects. This can help improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume resources and affect performance. Step 4. Check for overheating. Monitor your system's temperature while playing. If your CPU or GPU is overheating, it may throttle performance. Ensure your system is well ventilated and consider cleaning dust from fans and components. Step 5. Verify game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Call of Duty. If issues persist, consider seeking further technical support or community forums for additional solutions.